All right.
Thank you.
There's no turning back
We
now.
choose to do these things not because they're easy, but because they're hard.
I'm hard.
I'm hard too.
I'll knock if it's awful.
Okay, knock 3 times.
Oh shit. I feel bad.
Fuck. Oh wait, no, we're good.
Oh god. Oh no.
Oh, man, he's
no.
so scared right now. Wish I could get his face. Oh, he's ducking it.
Oh goodness.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, it's not that bad.
Open it for a second and just... We
Here it comes. Here it
we love
comes.
you, Brendan.
We love you.
We love you. Oh no. Holy shit. Oh my god. It's okay. You're gonna be fine. Shit. Oh.
You lied.
Are you okay?
The water. It's gonna kill him. Hey, are you?
Are you okay?
Oh, that thing's like twisting on him.
Jeez.
Damn. Look, he's white.
Are you okay? Brendan?
He's fine. He's fucking with us. Just wait for the water. He's gonna scream. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Get ready, big boy. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, dude. Oh my god.
I think the worst is over.
No, they do it again.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, this is like the greaser now. Holy shit. I feel bad, but this is so funny.
This is so worth it.
He's gonna feel so clean.
He's gonna feel so cool. I hope he doesn't get cancer from
I know
this.
he doesn't.
How you doing, buddy? Oh, fuck. This is gonna be bad.
Oh fuck, this is hard. Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, Brendan. Oh no.
Oh, my God.
Oh god, man.
Oh, damn. That shit's coming back around.
Oh my god.
It's not even squirting water, is it? Oh, it's just blowing some